you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome. Today's a video, I'm jumping straight into it because usually when I do makeup videos, they get a little long. So today I am gonna do something pretty easy that I have in mind, but I'm gonna do a full face and stuff. So if you guys are interested in this video and if you like neutrals and all that stuff, this will be the video for you. Step by step of what I'm going to be using and how to apply your makeup. So yeah, if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Today's palette, I'm going to be using the Supreme Nudes from Artist Couture. I'm going to be using this palette and I think I'm going to just use maybe just one color. And I just really want to use this dark brown. It's called Mink. So it's this last shade at the bottom. And yeah, I just wanted to do a full face and stuff, and let's get started with that. I'm using my Luxie 205 taper blending brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it into the palette and get a good amount and tap off the excess. And what I like to do is just tap on the eyeshadow to where I want it to be placed at. Okay, so what you want to do is just keep blending and blending. I think I'm gonna add some of the shade called Aesthetic. It's the shade right above it, to further blend the shade. And I feel like this is bringing some warmth back into the eyes. Okay, now that I have most of that blended out, I'm gonna do my brows. Y'all, it's been so long since I've done my brows. I really need to get them done. I need to wax them. But I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics in the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This thing is like $6 and it has a spoolie at the end and the brow applicator on the other side. So hopefully this goes well. And for the most part, I just follow the natural line underneath my brows. And just connect them. And then start filling them in. When I get closer to the front of the brow, I like to flick it up. And then when I get closer to the middle, I like to start going to the side to fill in the brows. And then I like to brush my hairs down, and then I'll go ahead and just kind of draw a line following the natural hair. Then brush my brows up. And then if it's too heavy in the front, I like to use my fingers, or I'll kind of put more pressure on with the spoolie on my brow in the front to kind of disperse. That way I don't get like a super harsh line or a box shaped brow. Now that we have these brows, I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury 4 medium. Love this stuff. You guys seen me use it in my other videos. I'll just put that all over. Using my IT Cosmetics dual ended brush. If you like using a sponge, you can. I just been more into using brushes lately, and this gives such a nice glow and finish to the skin. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 7.5. So hopefully this matches my skin tone or close to it. I'm gonna do like 1.5 pumps, and I just pumped it onto my brush, and I'm just gonna kind of just stipple this on. I'm just gonna start working this into the skin. And I would say I love to put foundation on because if you're doing like a bold eye, if you do your eyes first, once you put that foundation on, I feel like you can start seeing it come to life and just being like really nice. Because sometimes you kind of, if you doubt yourself when you're doing your eyeshadow and you're just like, oh, I don't think I like it. But once you put that foundation on your skin, it like brings it all together. So just trust the process and stuff, and if you really don't like it, just wipe it off, you know. So I absolutely love that foundation. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Color Meet Your Hue Concealer in 10 Light. And this is what the component looks like. And I just like to apply it where I have like my bags, and I just let it sit there for a little bit just so it can set. Today I'm not going to do cream bronzer. I'm just going to go in back with my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer and using my Persona Cosmetics dual-ended brush. Love this brush so much. And I'm just going to go ahead and start setting this part of my face. And I like to go in tapping motions to apply the most pigment. And when I'm all done with my base and stuff, I'll go back in with my foundation brush and kind of blend the areas that might be too harsh to kind of mesh them together for a more seamless look. And I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use the NARS Orgasm blush. Looks like this. Then I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury, what is this? The Airbrush Flawless Finish. And this is Skin Perfecting Micro Powder 2 Medium. Hopefully this is an okay shade for me. I wish I would have bought the first shade. I think it's the lightest color that they have. But I just didn't know which one would just be best for me. So I'm gonna set my chin first. Pretty much setting everywhere where I put my foundation and concealer down. And then if I feel like I lost a little bit of my bronzer or blush, I'll just go back in with it and apply a little bit more. So what I'm doing right now is taking Eccentric, which is this bottom shade right here, and I am just applying this to my lower lash line. Such a pretty shade. I have some magnetic lashes and I've never tried these before, so this should be interesting in trying these on out. I have to find the glue. Okay, let's try this on out. Ooh. Oh, I don't like how it's like getting on my natural lashes. It's very like goopy kind of. This brand is from Moxie Lash, and this is the Sassy Lash. That's weird. I don't like how this is gliding on at all. It just feels weird. Granted, it's my first time using magnetic lashes, but like, do I let it dry? Did I read that you have to let it dry? Getting close. Oh my gosh. So weird. It's sticking to my lashes. Let's try this on. Okay, you guys, so I am super excited about this lip combo that I put on my lips. I think it came out really great, and I did a gloss. I haven't worn a gloss in so long. So I went in with my Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lip liner, and the name is, did I use hot tea? No, the one I used was Bourbon. Okay, so you guys, I used the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lip liner in Bourbon to line my lips. Then I went in with Empowered from Jaclyn Hill, and also I used Nudie. Nudie is the lightest shade. You can apply in the center of your lips. I just ended up applying it all over my lips and stuff. And then lastly, for the gloss, I used Artist Couture lip gloss in Uncensored. You guys, the way this gloss goes on my lips, and then it has like a minty kind of feel like on your lips and smell, it just it just feels very bougie, and just like you just need to have this gloss if you're a gloss girl and a nudes girl. You guys, like, this is so pretty. So I like the way it just complements the eyes. It's very neutral and stuff, and I think it's just a very pretty. So yeah, I really like how it came out. It's funny because I'm talking and I have my viewfinder. I'm like, girl, I can't even see myself. I can't see myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try to link everything in my comment, or I'll try to leave everything in my description box down below for you guys. It'll have links to where you can find these makeup items. If you have some of these items, let me know what's your favorite. What did you like from this video? Lastly, be sure to subscribe to my channel, you guys. So I am posting constantly now, or I'm going to be posting regularly for you guys. So I have certain things planned out already for the week that I want to record for you guys. If you have any recommendations that you want to see from me, whether it be from like home cleaning to, excuse you, home cleaning to more makeup to hauls, or me going just to show you what's at the stores, just let me know. I'm just trying to figure out what you guys like, and I pretty much like all that stuff because honestly that's all I watch is stuff like that. But yeah, be sure you subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.